Hi everyone, I'm back guys. Love the RCs now. I hope you guys are doing well in your RCs. अगर नहीं हो रहा है अभी भी आप struggle कर रहे हो तो please make sure you work around these points. These will truly help you. यही पहचान है कि अगर like if you're able to do these things, you are safe zoned. Alright. अभी आज मेरे पास क्या पैसेज है देखते हैं. 5 times as many workers. Okay. समथिंग अबाउट सम बूम टाउन समथिंग. चलिए देखते हैं क्या है ये. अभी इसमें 5 times as many workers may be needed to construct a power plant as to operate it. Some workers, some economy, something numbers, okay. Money necessary to build water systems, okay, fine. I'm just trying to locate the hero. 1960s and 70s boomtown era in the West, okay. The boomtown is characterized, अब यहाँ पे इस part of the passage में he's discussing boomtown something, all right. Major social problems, okay. So the hero is not exactly boomtown. He's discussing something regarding town, something regarding settlements and developments and all. ठीक है. Questions पे चलते हैं. Then we'll go back and read. It can be inferred from the passage that local governments in boomtown regions struggle financially because this is a specific question. It's connected to 2 paragraphs. हम वहां जाके देख लेंगे. Right. Struggle financially. Why? Then, which of the following can be most reasonably inferred about the long-term social effects of boomtowns? Okay, again, long-term social effects, para-specific. चलेंगे इसको देखेंगे. It can be inferred from the passage that project developers' interests are ultimately harmed. Okay, again, maybe para-specific, right? Then, which of the following statements would strengthen the author's argument about the consequences of this growth? You have to say yes, you're right. ठीक है. चलिए देखते हैं पैसेज क्या कह रहा है. 5 times as many workers may be needed to construct a power plant as to operate it. Okay, so construction zyada problematic. The numbers may be even more disproportionate for a major pipeline or dam. Okay, when the construction ends, a substantial reduction in population is guaranteed. Hence, there may be no justification for providing an infrastructure necessary to maintain adequate levels of service during the construction period. कह क्या रहा है. बोलने पहले पैरा पढ़ने के बाद ना I will pause and I will just think अच्छा क्या कह रहा है. Okay, forget the rest of the passage. Needed to construct, ज्यादा लोग चाहिए. Numbers may be disproportionate for this. Construction end होता है, reduction in population हो ही जाता है. So, why do you have to provide an infrastructure, maintain adequate levels of service? Construction period में पूरा पूरा शहर बनाने की क्या जरूरत है? For the workers, क्योंकि वो population तो कम हो ही जाना है बाद में इनका, workers का, right? Money necessary to build water systems, schools, fund salaries is mismatched by traditional taxing programs. अभी ऑथर पागल है, अभी कुछ बात करते करते अचानक टैक्सिंग प्रोग्राम्स पे आ गया. The construction project is usually not subject to this, nears completion, which may be 5 years. Okay, I get it now. So what he's saying is, यही चीज, ये जो यहाँ है, when something is getting constructed, why do you have to make separate townships or something for the workers who are employed there? खत्म होगा वो काम, हट जाएंगे वो लोग वैसे भी. No justification. Little justification भी नहीं बोल रहा है. By no justification, providing an infrastructure necessary, right? अब यहाँ उसी चीज को extend करके कह रहा है, money necessary to build water systems, schools and roads, and to fund salaries and maintenance costs is mismatched by traditional taxing programs. Something to do with tax. You don't need to go into the paragraph and read completely. The construction project is usually not subject to this until it nears completion. तो tax ये लोग तो free में enjoy कर रहे हैं, मतलब services, because it's not subject to taxation, which may be after 5 years, after 7 years. Right? Alternative sources begin cover cost, okay, even if governments they may not, okay, entities, development, the county will be entitled, okay. If you know a little bit about taxes, not how you pay taxes, but you know how the government works with taxes, you'll be able to understand without reading completely. So what he's saying is traditional taxing programs, this is mismatched by this. मेंटेनेंस कॉस्ट ये जो है ना, ये build water systems for the workers, schools and roads for the children of the workers who are working on a particular project that may take 10 years, and to fund salaries and all. It is mismatched. You are spending so much money this way on the project workers, but it is mismatched by this because those people are not liable to pay taxes till ye project is usually not subject to property tax, not those people but the property tax until ye. So where's the justification, right? Sources of tax revenue cannot cover ये, ठीक है, ये clear हो गया यहाँ पर. So I'm not reading the entire thing, but I know this is talking of something to do with taxation. 60s and 70s, this can be a question pocket. Witnessed a new boomtown era in the West. That means even the previous thing was probably boomtown. You getting it? New boomtown era. तो पहले भी boomtown की ही बात कर रहा था ये. Boomtown probably is what? Boomtown is probably this town that is constructed for the workers who are engaged in a project. यहाँ common sense click हो रहा है, right? Witnessed a new boomtown era in the West. The typical contemporary boomtown is fueled, typical contemporary, modern, abhi ka, fueled by a quest for energy in the form of fossil fueled electric generating plant, this. The energy project typically located community, okay, often the boomtown poorly planned, underfinanced, okay, bad something bad. Right? Find the community changed for the worse, okay, bad. Boomtown is bad. Correct? The boomtown is characterized, अब ये उसका explanation है, मुझे नहीं पढ़ना है. Why? Because he has said it here. Undesirable place to live. अब खाली ऐसे vertical reading देख लो, labor conditions, deterioration, सब बुरा. यहाँ full stop देना भूल गया ये. Characteristic of a boomtown. They can ask you a true false question. All of the following are characteristics except you're going to come to these two contemporary boomtown के characteristics, right? Done. Last para. यही last है, right? हाँ. Studies have shown that large-scale development in sparsely populated areas causes major social problems. Large-scale development, you're coming up with a mega project in sparsely populated areas. Major problems है, कैसी problems? Skim करो अब. Housing, street, okay, development, rent, property, tax, education, divorce, depression, alcoholism, okay, while the boomtown, okay, I'll pause here. While the boomtown promotes an us against them mentality, ये भी तो negative है, ये तो बुरा ही है ना. Us against them. The old timers versus persons brought to the community, the fact remains that all parties suffer. सबको बुरा ही मिलता है. The tone of the author towards boomtown is negative. Newcomers may blame old timers, okay, something. Consequences also harm the project developer. Undesirable community results in poor worker productivity, turnover, छोड़ के जाते हैं. Factors that delay construction, okay. Rapid growth compounded, नहीं पढ़ रही. It's so clear. Boomtown के negative effects. यहाँ से he has started contemporary boomtown के typical characteristics यहाँ हैं, and then harmful effects ये. So the flow of the passage is beautiful. It's so clear. Workers, boomtown की ही बात हो रही है. Traditional type probably. And then he says the main idea is here, it's not justified. Then here the taxing para. कोई question होगा, tax से related आ जाएंगे. Right? And then पूरा boomtown के negative. Done. बस. Now you need to go over to the questions. First one. Local governments in boomtown regions struggle financially. Local governments जाके pick कर लो. Financially local governments क्यों struggle करते हैं? Right? So, I'll just show you one thing here. Money. Some governments have money. ये दिख रहा है? Check this point and then go over to the options. Maybe it's connected to this. इसके बाद अगर आपको लगे यहाँ नहीं मिला है answer, you can look in other paragraphs. If you realize it's taking a lot of time, you can even leave it and move on to the next question. But अभी तो पहले यहाँ देख लो, governments की बात की है इसने. Right? So, construction project is this. Tax revenue cannot begin to cover the cost of providing the services. Government is providing them the services, but where is the government getting the money from? नहीं आ रहा है. Even if some governments have money, they may not be the right governments. Some entities may suffer without being able to tax it. A development may be located in the county just outside, county will be entitled. So government का problem ये होती है, taxation का problem हो रहा है, this is what they are saying, right? तो इतना तो दिख गया ना. Local governments in boomtown regions struggle financially because they are not able to tax the people properly or tax the project properly or tax the developer properly. यही है ना, right? They lack mechanisms to tax new projects during the early stages of construction. वही चीज है. They fail to attract long-term residents who could contribute to local tax revenues. The para is not talking about individual residents का tax structure. या कौन contribute कर रहा है कि नहीं. Out. They spend excessively on unnecessary infrastructure and social amenities. हाँ, they spend excessively, ठीक है. But struggle financially, it's connected to tax. So this is out. They divert most of their funds to project developers and energy corporations. Most of their funds to वैसे ही red flag है. I eliminate this and I go with this as the answer. Hope you understood this. Now, which of the following can be most reasonably inferred about the long-term social effects of boom towns? अब ये इसने एक true दिया है, बाकी F, right? So, long-term social effects. I know very well that the tone of the author is negative. So the answer should have something negative in it. Correct? Okay. इतना तो करके पहले देख सकते हैं. Let's eliminate some things. They foster economic stability once construction ends. Bullshit. He says बहुत डिले होता है, people keep leaving, employee turnover जो high है, resources नहीं है, life is miserable in these boom towns, right? They foster economic stability once it ends. बिल्कुल भी ऐसा जिक्र नहीं है. Correct? They trigger short-lived prosperity but long-term social decline. कुछ तो बुरा हो रहा है. I'll keep this. Okay. They encourage integration between integration. They hate each other. कुछ ऐसा था ना यहाँ दिया हुआ. बता रही हूँ यहाँ. While the boomtown promotes us against them, old timers versus persons brought now, fact remains all suffer, may blame old timers. तो integration कहाँ improve हो रहा है? This is out. They often evolve into well planned. Oh my god, again out because of tone, and B is left as the answer. Do you see the importance of tone in this question? This happens very often in CAT. Alright, clear. Chalo, next one. It can be inferred from the passage that project developers' interests are ultimately harmed. True, right? False, false, false. Correct? Project developers' interests. I think I need to go back for this. Project developers का interest harmed in the long run. ये यहाँ तो government and taxation का है. I'll check here once and then go to the last para. Contemporary fuel for the quest, okay. The energy project, okay. Boomtown is poorly planned, okay. Community changed, all right. Characterized by this, quality of life, all right. यहाँ पे उनका नहीं दिया है आपका project developers का interest का. So, sparsely populated areas causes social problems. School development and this, rise of this. Education may suffer. One result of boomtown living is higher incidence. ये तो इनका है, people का है. While the boomtown promotes this, newcomers, okay, may blame this. Consequences of the boomtown project developer. I get it. Now I need to read this portion. ठीक है? The undesirable community results in poor worker productivity. Undesirable community. जो community बनी गंदी सी. Results in what? Poor worker productivity and frequent worker turnover, factors that delay construction, push projects over budget, rapid growth in some boom towns, compounded by this what? Most of the population disappears. Clear? 4-5 points मिल गए. Go over to the question now. They fail to build adequate housing. They fail to build adequate housing. How do you know? It doesn't say that they have failed to build. They spend a lot of money and still problems happen. ये बोला है. This is out. They ignore the social disruptions caused by rapid population growth. Not sure, we'll check this. They ignore, right? Ultimately harmed because their interests are harmed because they ignore, they fail to take that into consideration. कुछ ऐसा होगा देखेंगे. They focus too heavily on maximizing profits during the construction phase. Profits is not highlighted that it's because of this that they are going down or it's because of this that the problems happen. No, अभी जितना हमने पढ़ा उसमें तो नहीं है. They overestimate the local government's capacity. Now I'm going to keep this in this. Right? They overestimate the local government's capacity to handle population influx. Population जो आएगा वहां पे local government की capacity को they underestimate, sorry, overestimate कि वो accommodate कर लेगा. They ignore the social disruptions. I'll take you back now. अब इससे ना दिमाग confuse होगा खाली. Better to take one and go back and prove it. I'll take this. They ignore the social disruptions caused by rapid population growth. ठीक है? I'll take you back. Consequences okay, undesirable, productivity okay, social disruption बोला है, these are all social disruptions. Population growth की वजह से, factors that delay construction, push projects over budget, problems of this compounded, most of the population disappears ये है with the completion of project construction. So they kind of overestimate government का capacity. नहीं, this population disappears, right? अभी यहाँ पे आपको एक चीज और दिखाती हूँ मैं यहाँ. Yeah. When the construction ends, a substantial reduction is virtually guaranteed. Hence, there may be no justification for providing this. So they are not able to understand that there are problems associated with this, yet they keep pumping money into the system. This is what we can infer. Right? Construction project, okay, development, ये तो tax वाला बोला है. And then the same thing is here, cannot begin to cover the cost of providing this. Right? So they do not take into consideration the problems that are associated with that. This is what the passage is saying, the entire passage. वो pump in करते चले जाते हैं money and they fail to understand कि ये गड़बड़ हो रहा है. Undesirable labor conditions, confusion in this, deterioration in this, right? And उसके बाद फिर वही यहाँ पे जो आपका project developer का जो point आया है. राइट और यहाँ पे एक और चीज भी जैसे आप अगर ये देख लो वन रिजल्ट ऑफ बूम टाउन लिविंग इज हायर इंसिडेंस ऑफ डिवोर्स until recently planners have ignored or understated such problems, right? So this gives me the answer that they have ignored the social problems associated with this boom town living and developing, correct? So they ignore this caused by this. Done. This should be the answer. Last one. Which of the following statements would strengthen the author's argument about the consequences of boomtown growth? So, हमें ये कहना है, author का क्या है viewpoint? Author is saying it's bad. There are negative effects. Okay, खराब system होता है. Community is like बेकार, undesirable community बोला है उसने. We have to say yes, you're right. बकवास है boomtown. Several towns that hosted major energy projects saw improved. क्यों भाई ये क्यों होगा सपोर्ट? ये तो वीकेंड कर रहा है, right? Energy companies have recently begun sharing tax revenues with affected municipalities. ये भाई, this is not even connected with the claim. The claim is consequences of boomtown growth. Author says they are bad. We have to say yes, they are bad. Correct. So this is out of scope. Out. Populations in areas surrounding large construction projects show higher rates of migration and social instability. Negative ho raha, I'll keep this. Technological advancements now allow energy projects to be built with far fewer workers. तो consequence में थोड़े है ये. Consequence में तो ये जा रहा है. He says it's bad. We have to say yes, there is social instability and there is a very high rate of migration. People keep leaving and going away, जिसकी वजह से वहाँ बेकार useless हो जाता है, नुकसान होता है project developer का. Right? So this fits well if it is supposed to strengthen. वो भी claim related to consequences. Got it? I hope it's all clear. सारे questions हो गए हमारे? Great. ABBC. Right. Cool. Done. Thank you guys. I'll see you again soon.